Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com, news on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. This podcast was sponsored by cryptocurrency payment technology Flip, a creation of FitPay Inc., a leading provider of cutting-edge payment technology and a subsidiary of NextID, traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol NXTD. NextID is a provider of healthcare devices as well as payment credential management and authentication platform services. Learn more about how to order Flip at fliptopay.com. And Crypto Corner is also sponsored by Genesis Blockchain Technologies, or GBT. GBT is a powerful cryptocurrency centralized-decentralized exchange, which will include a broad range of services and benefits from cryptocurrency and blockchain markets development, while avoiding complications and risks arising from cryptocurrency ownership, transfer, and exchange. You can download the Genesis Exchange and Wallet app at Google Play and on the Apple App Store. Learn more at www.mygenesis.io. The crypto market began to rally on Sunday and has not showed signs of slowing yet. At press time, total market cap is sitting at about $135 billion US, according to data from CoinMarketCap. This is up $15 billion from a market cap of $120 billion, where it had more or less been sitting for just over a week. Bitcoin is trading for just under $4,000, a level not seen since early January of this year. Following, in terms of market cap, are Ether and XRP, which are trading for $148.34 at press time, respectively. CoinDesk reports that crypto mining giant Bitmain has posted a loss of $500 million for the third quarter of 2018. The information was revealed in a recent update submitted to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Bitmain is currently awaiting approval for an IPO application submitted to the exchange in September 2018. Crypto exchange giant Coinbase announced in a blog post today that they've acquired blockchain intelligence platform Neutrino. An excerpt from the post explains how Neutrino will be an asset to Coinbase. Quote, "Blockchain intelligence is increasingly important in the crypto ecosystem and is necessary to achieve our mission of bringing the open financial system to the world. By analyzing data on public blockchains, Neutrino will help us prevent theft of funds from people's accounts, investigate ransomware attacks, and identify bad actors. It will also help us bring more cryptocurrencies and features to more people while helping ensure compliance with local laws and regulations." End quote. Reuters reports that Germany is consulting companies and industry groups about blockchain. Being the biggest economy in Europe, Germany has some 170 or so startup companies that employ blockchain technology in some form. Such companies have been invited by the state to offer input with regard to a potential future legal framework for the technology. And South Korea's Seoul metropolitan government has announced plans for over $1 billion of investment into startups in the blockchain and fintech space by 2022, according to an official announcement. Loosely translated, the document states that 1.2 trillion won, or $1.06 billion US, from the Seoul Innovation Growth Fund will be invested in Series A funding rounds for such startups. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. For disclosure purposes, NextID is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.